Yo, this is it, guys. I am on YouTube. Welcome. Jay here. If you made it to the channel, you're either a past client, a future client, a referral source checking up on me, or my Google Ads money finally did something for me, or my CRM database skills got you here too. So obviously I'm a realtor in Calgary and this is my first YouTube video. I'm excited, but it's certainly scary at the same time. Being on YouTube is not for everyone. So you won't catch me dancing here or dancing on TikTok. Won't have ballerinas at my listings either. But I might have a dragon fly by if I need to. Or my AI bot Jay might take over.
Let's go. This is my AI bot, Jay. He'll be taking over for an episode or two.
Hopefully I'll get to showcase my editing skills, which I've been working on for the past little while. Working on the creativity too. And hopefully you guys are here for it and it's not cringe, as the kids call it.
How do you do, fellow kids?
But the focus here is real estate. It's not my dog. It's not my reffing. It's not my kids' volleyball journey. It's real estate. And I'll try not to talk about shoes. What kind of content are we going to see, you ask? Well, I'll talk about the house that I built one day.
I built that.
And some of the other flips that I've done as well. I'll highlight some of the real estate stories that I have. A crazy lady hiding in the closet in the basement. The weed closet. The naked tenant. Or one of the scariest ones was the hoarder house. So we'll see some featured listings too, mine, some friends of mine, some coworkers, all that kind of stuff. And we'll certainly see some walkthrough videos as well too. I'll certainly make sure to sprinkle in some market update reports for my engineer friends. So I'm always looking for tech and better tech to help me in my real estate job. So there'll be a mix of media here, from my glasses to my Sony camera, which you're seeing now, my DJI drone, hopefully a couple other new pieces to introduce this year as well. So 13 years in the business now, several years as a landlord, renovator, flipper, home builder, lots of experience to help you through wherever you are in your real estate journey. So married, divorced, looking to downsize or an investment, I got you. Further back even, I was a mortgage broker and a pension analyst there too. So I've got the experience to help you buy or sell in this Calgary area. But if we are working together, hopefully the condos are limited, as the elevators, they make me the dizzy. And so do all these other things.
Those aren't pillows.
So that's a little bit about my experience. I certainly believe you should always be growing, and I'm always looking for new certifications, new training programs in conjunction with the mastermind groups that I'm involved with, leading those, participating in those, the coaching levels, the referee levels. I'm certainly always learning to make your life easier. But that's it. I'll try not to be weird around here, but no guarantees. Hopefully you're a repeat buyer, a seller, or a new contact that made it here to the channel, and hopefully you get to see you again. I'm Jay.
I'm Jay.
Peace. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on the video. We'll see you guys again.